Handbags here, and welcome to my channel. Today guys, I am going to be doing a Coach outlet unboxing from the September 4th fall drop. So if you want to see what your girl picks up, then make sure to stay tuned. Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here or if you're a returning viewer and for some reason you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another unboxing, guys. Now, I know today y'all are normally used to seeing me do Switch Out Sunday, but your girl is still in her beautiful Clayton. This is my Dooney and Burke Clayton and Florentine leather in the color red. Now, I did do a what's in my bag and a Switch Out Sunday video on this last week Sunday, and I was supposed to move out of it, but I love the bag so much I end up staying in it for another week, guys. But I will definitely be switching out of that bag today and into another bag. Now, I do want to get into one more summer bag before fall officially starts, so I'll be moving into that bag today. All right, so now that that is out of the way, let's get into why you guys are here. So we know September 4th Coach Outlet did their fall collection drop, and if you watch my What's Hot from Coach Outlet, then you guys will probably have already known what bag that I chose that I wanted to pick up. But if you didn't, guys, I did pick up a bag from the suede collection, and this bag is just absolutely gorgeous, guys, and I'm so glad that I picked it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw up the unboxing for you guys, and then we will get into the bag. Alright guys, so as you saw from the unboxing, your girl picked up the large Coach Rowan, y'all. And I am so excited. Y'all, this bag is just absolutely gorgeous. Now, I will say that this bag is sold out, and I see why this bag sold out so quickly, y'all, because it is gorgeous. Now, I will say suede is not for everybody, and if that's the case, that's all cool and fine, but I wanted me a suede bag. I don't mind bag with texture. I know some people only like all leather bags, whether it's pebbled, smooth leather. That's cool and fine, but for me, I wanted me a suede bag. I am trying to curate a suede collection for my handbag collection, and when I saw this, I definitely had to have this in my collection, y'all. Now, this is in the color vintage brown. This color is absolutely gorgeous in person, as you guys can see, and it definitely comes with gold hardware. Now, it does have smooth leather throughout the bag as well too. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap all of this, and then we are going to get into the details of this beautiful bag, y'all. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into the details of this beautiful suede large Rowan, guys. So let's start off with the hang tag on the bag. This hang tag is in that beautiful rich dark chocolate brown color. It is absolutely gorgeous. Of course, all the hardware on the bag is in gold. It does say Coach with the horse and carriage as well too on the front, and it does say New York, so hopefully you guys can see that. Now, it does have these little rivets here as well too, and they actually have Coach written on them as well. And then you do get your dual zipper pulls as well too, and that is also in gold hardware. And I love the double zippers on the large Rowans. And I love that it goes like a third way down on the bag as well too. Now you do get your O-rings here on the side so that you can put your crossbody on. And I will show you guys the crossbody in just a second. You also get your back zipper compartment as well too. And this is a pretty large back zipper compartment as well too. And of course you get your top handles as well too. Now your top handle, the trim of the zipper pull, and of course the bottom of the bag with 4 feet is all in this beautiful smooth leather. And it does have piping going around the bag as well too. And that's also in that beautiful smooth chocolate brown color as well. So let me show you guys the crossbody. This is the crossbody. It is in that dark chocolate brown color as well too, and the beautiful smooth leather. It is adjustable here, as you guys can see, still with the gold hardware. And I'm going to go ahead and attach it to the bag so that you guys can see what it looks like attached to the bag. And I will throw in some mod shots towards the end of the video so you guys can see it on me. So that is the crossbody. So let's go ahead and unstuff this bag and take a peek at the interior of the bag as well too. Alright guys, so here is the interior of the bag. It does have that beautiful dark chocolate lining in the inside as well too. And in the large Rowan, you get a back zipper compartment. So here is your back zipper pull. So you do get a leather zipper pull here. And you get a nice large zipper compartment here, the care instructions as well. And you do get these little leather tabs on the end of your zipper as well too in the back. This is the Coach Creed here in the back as well too. And then on the front wall, you do get a snap pocket trimmed in that nice smooth leather as well too. So here is the snap pocket. Of course, if you snap it, it gives you 2 slip pockets. If you leave it unsnapped, which this is, as you can see, a serious snap pocket. If you leave it unsnapped, you get a large slip pocket where you can put additional items. Like I said, I love how open and huge the inside of this large Rowan is. And if you already have a large Rowan in your collection, then you already know that this bag is giving everything, because it literally holds all of your items and still leaves you room for more. Okay. Now let's go over the measurements of the large Rowan. Lengthwise, the Rowan is 11.75 inches long. The height of the Rowan is 8.25, and then of course the width of the Rowan is 7 inches. So this is a really nice size Rowan bag. I love the fact that this bag you can wear several different ways as well too. This bag allows you to be worn top handle, as well as with the crossbody, or even as a short shoulder, guys. All right, guys, as you can see, this is a beautiful bag in person. If you were able to pick this bag up before it sold completely out within a day, then congratulations to you guys. This is a beautiful suede bag to add to your handbag collection. And like I said, suede is not for everyone, and that's okay and fine. I don't mind a suede bag because I intend on treating this bag before I wear it to make sure that it doesn't get any water stains from the rain or just any kind of spills on the bag. I intend on treating the suede portion as well as the leather portion of this particular bag as well too, guys. Now let me know down in the comments if you guys were able to pick up the large Rowan or even the mini suede Rowan, which was so adorable, y'all. I even considered picking that one up because I don't have any mini Rowans in my collection, but I knew I had to pick this one up for sure, guys, and I am so glad that I was able to do so. Now the Rowan is currently running for $1.99. Now of course the suede ones are all sold out. Don't know if they plan on restocking them, but if you missed out and they do restock it, make sure you get it when they restock it, y'all, because this bag is absolutely gorgeous in person. All right, guys, so if you stuck with me this far, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe if you're not already, like and share this video, leave a comment down below and let me know if you were able to pick up anything from the September 4th fall drop from Coach Outlet, and make sure to click that bell as well too, guys. That way you're always notified every time I upload a new video. And make sure to stay tuned for the mod shots at the end. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, the sun is in the window, but we ain't in any rush. The only sound's the record player with the soft and gentle hush. Got the coffee brewing slowly, got the